In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Cursor AI in Arch Linux. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which download to choose, so you can get the installer onto your Arch machine quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Cursor AI website. When you land on the page, don't worry if you immediately see a big Windows download prompt. That's the default view for many visitors. What you want to do is look toward the upper right corner of the site for the download option. This takes you to the full list of installers for different operating systems, which is what we need on Arch. Go ahead and click Download. This brings you to the dedicated Downloads page where Cursor organizes installers by platform. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're viewing the section for Linux. Next, select the Linux app image option labeled ARM64. An app image is a single portable file that bundles everything the app needs to run, which makes it a great fit for Arch Linux because you don't have to pull it from a repository or set up a system-wide package. It keeps the install self-contained and easy to move or back up. When you click the Linux app image, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location you'll remember, like your Downloads folder or a tools directory you use for development, and confirm the download. While the file is downloading, a quick tip: app images are designed to be straightforward. Cursor provides guidance on launching the app image if you need it, and the format typically avoids the complexity of managing extra dependencies. If your browser gives you a standard security prompt for downloaded applications, choose to keep the file from a trusted source, which in this case is the official Cursor site you just visited. Once the download completes, you're set with the installer file on your system. Keeping the app image in a dedicated folder will make it easier to find later and to update by replacing it with a newer version from the same downloads page when one becomes available. That's all there is to it. Visit the official Cursor site, open the download page from the top right, and choose the Linux app image labeled ARM64. Thanks for following along, and enjoy exploring Cursor AI on your Arch Linux setup.